Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel NEPAL Ko Tech, NEPAL Tech. I will tell you how to lock the screen in Android mobile phone. Guys, if you like my video, if you think my video is short and sweet and you understand it very easily, then please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. At first you should go to the setting icon. In the setting icon you will see a lock screen. Touch there. After touch screen, I already have my pattern. So here look, in the lock screen tab there is written pattern. So touch here pattern. So now guys, here you can see first one swipe, second one pattern, third one pin, fourth one password and none. If you want no password, then here is none. And if you want medium security, then you can choose pattern. If you want also medium and high security is pin, and you want high security, then here is number and alphabet patterns. Now I will show you how to lock the screen by pattern. Touch the pattern and remember the pattern. If you don't know, then you make your own pattern. What you want to make? I want to make n, then I should make n, then continue. Then again you have to do uh, same pattern as like previous n, then you should have confirm, pattern will be reset. Thank you guys for looking my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, and it is very easy and effective method. Thank you for looking my video. Jai Nepal.